Hi everyone! In this video we will solve equations using the division property of equality. Solve -45 equals -9k. To solve an equation, we must isolate the variable on one side of the equal sign. To do that, we find all of the operations occurring around the variable and do the opposite to negate those, and therefore it isolates it. Here I see I have -9 times k. There's nothing between the 9 and the k, which means that it is multiplication. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, so if I'm multiplying by -9, to negate that, I divide by -9. But I can't just go around dividing one side of an equal sign by -9. I have to divide both sides to keep that equal sign balanced. -9 divided by -9 on the right-hand side gives me a +1. A +1 times k is k, which isolates the variable on the right-hand side of the equal sign. Another phrase sometimes people use is -9 cancels with -9, and you're left with k. Either way you want to think about it works. Now on the left-hand side, -45 divided by -9, a negative divided by a negative is positive. 45 divided by 9 is positive, or is 5, so the whole answer is k equals +5. This does look backwards for some people, and they would prefer writing k equals 5 this direction, and either way works. We can also double check just to make sure that we did in fact get the correct answer by substituting back into our original equation for k and putting our 5 that we got as our answer. -9 times 5 is negative because I have a negative times a positive. 9 times 5 is 45. -45 does in fact equal -45, so it checks, and that means that our solution, k equals 5, is the solution to our equation, and we're all done.